Okay everybody, today we have a certified pre-owned 2014 Honda Civic EXL. Folks, you're going to get the nice sporty wheels on this vehicle, gorgeous modern steel metallic paint job, fog lights on the outside, and it includes Honda's lane watch. Now let's take a look at some of these interior features. Okay folks, let's take a look at the trunk space in the back of this Honda Civic EXL. Now one thing I want to point out, it does come equipped with a backup camera, easy access trunk. Now you do have plenty of trunk space in here for any groceries or odds and ends you want to bring with you. Moving around to the back seat area, you'll notice you have plenty of legroom back here, and because this is the EXL model, you do get a nice leather gray interior. Moving to the front of the vehicle, it does come equipped with Bluetooth capabilities. You do have steering controls on here as well, and also an economy mode to give you a better fuel economy. Okay everybody, come on down to Delaney Honda at 115 Lenz Rd and check out this just-in 2014 Honda Civic EXL, certified pre-owned, so it comes with added warranty and protection. Also, you're going to have Honda's lane watch, signature lane watch system. You're also going to have Bluetooth capabilities and excellent fuel economy. This vehicle gets upwards of 35 miles per gallon, folks. And with under 40,000 miles on it, it's like brand new. Make sure you come see me, Tristan, when you come to check it out. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.